Hello, this is Skylark from the eVTOLBrazil channel. Today, I bring you breaking news that will make you dream of the skies. What if I told you that, right now, in Kunming, China, the famous eVTOLs are taking passengers to fly alongside seagulls? Yes, you heard that right. Seagulls and innovation, together in the most magical event of the year. From November 30th to December 8th, Kunming turns winter into pure poetry with the Seagull observation season. Picture yourself soaring over the majestic Dianchi Lake aboard the futuristic EH216S, feeling the breeze and witnessing the natural ballet of the seagulls. What about you? Are you ready to elevate your dreams? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we explore how the low-altitude economy is transforming the world. Thank you for flying with us. Until the next destination, and remember, the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.